Here's one of the ever popular Model A's. 1929 Ford Model A Tudor sedan. These have actually been quite steadily selling here in the past year and a half. Get quite a few of these Model A's in, and it seems like they always seem to move. There's always somebody that's got a soft spot for them. This particular car is a steel body, glass fendered car, powered by the inline 4-cylinder. FYI, the VIN number on this vehicle is on the engine. The engine number is the VIN number on these. And there is a clear title to it, so it can be titled wherever you're purchasing it at. Driven on the road. Be a nice car for shows, parades. Taken out for a little Sunday afternoon cruise. See, it's kind of a chocolate brown, a little darker brown highlight through the center, and then of course the black fenders and wheels. If you'd like to see the underside pictures of this, sorry about the glare there. Like to see the underside pictures of this, engine bay, interior, you can check out the underside pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Of course, you can call us too if you'd like to inquire about this, discuss transportation, or find out how to get it to your location. We can be reached at 507-386-1726. See, the paint's got a nice luster to it. It's actually quite nice paint job, really not a bunch of nicks or scratches. Yeah, there's a few here or there. It's not perfect. There's a little spot back there you can see, but overall very nice. In the still pictures, you'll see the top, all very good shape. Also the headliner, carpeting, seats, the cloth and everything, also in good shape. We're going to go ahead and open the door up. We'll fire it up here too so you can hear it run. Nice, smooth running car. The door card's a nice shape, a little pocket pouch. They have put down the carpeting. There's no rubber flooring, just carpeting on there. Put the solid wood floor underneath that, and of course you can see cloth seats. Now the seats on these flip forward. Passenger seat flips forward and folds so you can get in the back there. You'll see that in the pictures how that works. Let's go in here. We're going to go ahead and fire this up. Alright, there's the gas switch underneath, which is off. We're going to turn that on. Try to do this holding the camera with one hand, just get the key in. Turn the ignition on. Alright, ignition on, and that's straight up and down on this particular one. We're going to get neutral. I don't think I'll have to choke it. This one's been a good starter, but there's the choke. Starter's down on the floor. There we go. See the stock dash layout, amp meter, fuel gauge there, a little odometer. And of course up here you have the throttle and the timing, retard. Alright, let's slip out here. I'll turn down that idle just a tad. Slip out, you can see how smooth this runs. Nicely, that door closes. There you go. That's what a Model A sounds like, 1929. Again, check out those still pictures. uniqueclassiccars.com. Feel free to give us a call. 507-386-1726. I'm going to pause this too and open the engine compartment here so you can at least see it run also. Alright, there you go. Got one of the sides of the hoods open. Listen to her purr. Pretty cool. Drives out nice too. There you have it. 1929 Ford Model A Tudor sedan. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, or once again, uniqueclassiccars.com.